Hi guys, in this video I will be talking about subscriptions on your iPhone, your iPad and so on. So you might want to cancel a subscription, or you might have been charged with a payment and you are not sure what the payment is about. So you can always check the subscriptions that you have in your iPhone. So let's do that. So first of all, you would need to go to the settings. Here at the very top you can see your Apple ID, and you will need to press that. Here this will open a new screen where you can set up different settings and press media and purchases. This will prompt with a new window and you will have to press view account. This might ask you to verify, so you might be prompted with a password or a Face ID check. And this will bring a new screen where you can see the different settings such as manage payments, country region, and so on. One of the settings, as you can see at the very bottom, is subscriptions. Here you can see the different subscriptions that you have. You can also toggle at the very top renewal receipts. So mine is turned on. This means that I can see the receipts in my purchase history, and also I get the emails when this renews. In either case, you can have, I only have one, but you can have many different subscriptions at the same time. And if you want to cancel, you would simply press on the icon and you can see the different payments and the different plans. You can change the plans, and if you scroll down you can also press cancel subscription. So thank you for watching this video. I hope that this has been helpful and you will be able to successfully manage your subscriptions and avoid any charges that you no longer want or no longer need the subscriptions for. Remember to like the video. This will help me out tremendously with the YouTube algorithm, and subscribe to the channel if you would like to see additional content like this. So thank you again, and see you guys in the next video.